Top 7 Best Teas for Diabetics. Did you know that the tea you're drinking might be the secret weapon for managing diabetes or making it worse? Stay with me because today we're diving into the top 7 teas every diabetic needs to know about. Some of these will surprise you and one of them might already be in your kitchen. Tea isn't just a cozy drink for cold mornings. It's packed with natural properties that can help regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and even boost overall health. But not all teas are created equal. Whether you're newly diagnosed or managing diabetes for years, this list will show you exactly what teas can make a difference and why. Ready to sip smarter? Let's jump in. Number 1, green tea. Did you know there's one drink that could help lower your blood sugar, shrink your waistline, and even reduce your risk of developing diabetes? Green tea isn't just your average morning beverage, it's a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for people managing diabetes or trying to prevent it. Here's a surprising fact. Studies show that drinking green tea consistently for over 10 years has been linked to lower body fat and smaller waistlines. Why does that matter? Because obesity increases the risk of type 2 diabetes by a staggering 6 times. This makes green tea not just a drink, but a daily habit that could help transform your health. So what's the secret? It's all about a special compound called epigallocatechin gallate. Don't worry, you can just call it EGCG. This superhero of antioxidants works behind the scenes to help your body use sugar more efficiently. It enhances glucose uptake into muscle cells, turning sugar into energy instead of letting it linger in your bloodstream. Think of it as a natural booster for your glucose metabolism, fighting diabetes and obesity at the same time. Want to make the most of this amazing tea? It's simple. Brew it just right, hot but not boiling, to preserve those delicate compounds. Add a splash of lemon for a bigger antioxidant punch or a pinch of cinnamon to improve insulin sensitivity. With 2 to 3 cups a day, green tea becomes more than a drink. It's your daily step toward better blood sugar control and a healthier, more vibrant life. Stick around, because the next tea on our list could completely change the way you think about managing diabetes. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Number 2, black tea. What if your morning cup of black tea could help manage your blood sugar? It's not just a comforting drink, it's a powerhouse for diabetics. Studies show that drinking black tea regularly can lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and assist in managing its complications. But how does it work? Black tea works by improving insulin resistance, which is crucial for blood sugar control. It helps the body process glucose more effectively, reducing blood sugar spikes. Additionally, black tea contains polyphenols, such as theaflavins and thearubicins, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds reduce inflammation, one of the key contributors to diabetes complications, while supporting better glucose metabolism. Moreover, black tea slows carbohydrate absorption, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes after meals, an essential benefit for anyone managing diabetes. To get the most from your black tea, start by boiling fresh water, as it requires higher temperatures. Use 1 teaspoon of loose tea leaves or 1 tea bag per cup. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes to your liking. Skip the sugar, and if you need sweetness, try stevia. Looking to enhance the health benefits? Add a slice of ginger or a pinch of turmeric for additional anti-inflammatory support. A squeeze of lemon amplifies the tea's antioxidant effects, while cinnamon can help stabilize blood sugar levels. For optimal results, enjoy black tea after meals to help regulate blood sugar levels. It's an easy, affordable way to support your health, making it an essential addition to a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. Start sipping smarter today and stick around for the next tea. It might just surprise you. Number 3, chamomile tea. What if your evening cup of chamomile tea could help manage your blood sugar? It's not just a relaxing drink, it's an effective ally for diabetics. Studies show that chamomile tea can improve insulin sensitivity, control glucose levels, and reduce inflammation, all key to managing diabetes. But how does it work? Chamomile is well known for its calming effects, promoting better sleep. But it does more than help you unwind. Regular consumption of chamomile tea has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity. A 2018 study found that people with type 2 diabetes who drank chamomile tea 3 times daily after each meal for 8 weeks saw a significant reduction in insulin resistance and inflammation. The magic behind chamomile lies in an antioxidant called apigenin. This compound helps reduce stress by promoting relaxation, lowering stress hormones that contribute to blood sugar spikes. Additionally, chamomile helps fight oxidative stress, improving insulin function and glucose metabolism. To get the most out of chamomile tea, brew it right. Boil fresh water, then steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers, or a chamomile tea bag, in the hot water for about 5 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the effects. For better blood sugar control, drink chamomile tea after each meal. It not only aids glucose regulation, but also promotes restful sleep, essential for managing diabetes. For an extra boost, add a slice of lemon to increase its antioxidant effects, or a dash of cinnamon to help stabilize blood sugar. These additions make your cup even more beneficial. For optimal results, enjoy chamomile tea after meals, especially before bed. It's the perfect way to wind down, reduce stress, and stabilize blood sugar overnight. Drinking it before sleep can calm your mind and prepare your body for a restful night, improving insulin production and glucose metabolism. Chamomile tea is an affordable, natural solution for diabetes management. By reducing stress, improving insulin sensitivity, and supporting better sleep, it's a great addition to your daily routine. So, why not try it tonight? Experience how chamomile can help balance your blood sugar and enhance your well-being. Stay tuned, because the next tea on the list may surprise you with even more benefits. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more useful content. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which tea you're excited to try, or share your favorite diabetes-friendly drink. Number 4. Ginger tea. What if a warm, flavorful drink could be the key to managing your blood sugar levels? Ginger tea isn't just soothing, it's a powerful ally for people with diabetes, especially type 2. Wondering how this simple tea could help? Let's break it down. Ginger is packed with compounds like gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation plays a major role in insulin resistance, and ginger helps reduce this inflammation, making it easier for your body to respond to insulin and manage blood sugar. But that's not all. Ginger also slows the breakdown of carbs, meaning it prevents blood sugar spikes after meals. It improves insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more effectively. Studies show that regularly drinking ginger tea can lower both fasting blood sugar and post-meal levels, essential for controlling diabetes naturally. Making ginger tea is simple. Just boil water, add thinly sliced fresh ginger, and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. If you like, you can add a bit of honey or lemon for extra flavor. Drink it after meals to stabilize blood sugar, or in the morning to support healthy levels throughout the day. The key is consistency. Incorporating ginger tea into your routine can help manage your blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. It's an easy, natural, and affordable way to enhance your diabetes management. Why not give it a try and see the difference it can make? Number 5. Hibiscus Tea. Imagine sipping a vibrant, ruby red tea that refreshes you while helping manage your health. That's hibiscus tea. Not only a flavorful drink, but a powerful ally for those with diabetes. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine. Managing blood pressure is as important as controlling blood sugar, especially for diabetics, who are at higher risk for heart disease and stroke. Hibiscus tea has been shown to lower high blood pressure, supporting heart health and reducing risks associated with diabetes. But hibiscus doesn't stop there. Studies suggest it can also improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body process sugar more effectively and keep blood sugar levels stable. It's a gentle way to help control diabetes and prevent insulin resistance. Packed with antioxidants, hibiscus tea helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both key issues for diabetics. By drinking hibiscus tea, you're not just enjoying a delicious beverage, but also giving your body the tools to fight long-term complications of diabetes. Making hibiscus tea is simple. Just steep dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 3 to 4 minutes, watching the water turn a beautiful deep red. Whether you prefer it hot in winter or iced in summer, hibiscus tea is both versatile and soothing. Add a squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey to balance the tartness, or enjoy it plain. Hibiscus tea isn't just a drink, it's a natural, easy way to support heart health, regulate blood sugar, and reduce inflammation. Give it a try and experience the benefits firsthand. Number 6. Peppermint Tea. Peppermint tea. Refreshing, cool, and soothing. But beyond its crisp flavor, it's an excellent ally for those managing diabetes, especially for lowering stress and blood sugar. If you're living with type 2 diabetes, you know how challenging it is to balance blood sugar. Peppermint tea can help manage stress and, in turn, stabilize blood sugar. When stressed, your body releases cortisol, which raises blood sugar levels. Chronic stress can make it harder to control diabetes, but peppermint tea can help. Known for its calming properties, peppermint tea eases anxiety, promotes relaxation, and gives you a much-needed break. But that's not all. Peppermint tea also supports digestion, easing bloating and discomfort, which many diabetics face. By relaxing your digestive muscles, it helps your body process food better, allowing for better blood sugar control. Studies suggest peppermint may also improve insulin sensitivity. By helping insulin receptors work more efficiently, it lowers the chances of insulin resistance, a common issue for diabetics. Making peppermint tea is easy. Just steep fresh or dried peppermint leaves in hot water for 5 minutes and enjoy the fresh, minty flavor. Add honey or stevia for sweetness without raising blood sugar. You can drink it hot or iced, depending on your preference. Mix peppermint with other herbs like lemon or chamomile for added benefits. This tea is a natural way to support your health and lower stress that could elevate blood sugar. Next time you're stressed, grab a cup of peppermint tea. With regular use, it will help calm your mind and manage blood sugar. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in your diabetes management. Try it today and see how it works for you. Number 7. Rooibos Tea. Looking for a natural way to support your health while managing diabetes? Try Rooibos Tea, a sweet, caffeine-free drink packed with benefits. Originating from South Africa, Rooibos is not only refreshing, but it also helps regulate blood sugar, making it an excellent choice for anyone managing diabetes. Rooibos contains aspartame, a compound shown to lower blood sugar by helping the body manage sugar levels more effectively. This makes it not just a tasty beverage, but a valuable tool in controlling your blood sugar. It also offers weight loss benefits, which is crucial for those with diabetes. Excess weight, particularly around the abdomen, is a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Research shows Rooibos can help prevent the formation of fat cells, supporting weight loss and reducing the risk of diabetes. Rooibos also improves insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to use insulin. This can lead to better blood sugar control over time, a key factor in managing type 2 diabetes. Making Rooibos tea is simple. Steep a teaspoon of Rooibos leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. The result is a sweet, comforting drink. Add lemon or honey for extra flavor without impacting your blood sugar. Whether hot or iced, Rooibos is versatile. You can even blend it with mint or chamomile for a unique twist. With Rooibos, you're not just enjoying a delicious drink, you're supporting your health. Incorporating Rooibos tea into your routine is an easy step towards better diabetes management. Its blood sugar regulation, weight loss benefits, and insulin sensitivity improvements make it a must-try. Why not start today and see how Rooibos can support your health journey? So there you have it, the top 7 best teas for diabetics. From the refreshing, blood sugar-regulating benefits of black tea to the calming and anti-inflammatory properties of chamomile, each tea we've covered offers unique advantages to help you manage diabetes naturally. Whether you're looking to improve insulin sensitivity, lower stress, or support weight loss, there's a tea for everyone. But don't just take our word for it. Try incorporating these teas into your daily routine and see the difference for yourself. With their countless benefits, they could be the perfect addition to your health journey. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living healthier and managing diabetes. And if you want to discover more ways to improve your well-being, check out our next video. Stay healthy and keep sipping. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.